helping with the lanterns. I haven't seen her since this afternoon near the pond.
These are Lala's tracks, but where do they lead?
Get out. Save Lala! Coco, our Halloween hero.
No one wants to buy them this year.
Maybe, but pumpkins can be more than soup. Let's see what happens if we bake it instead. This will be my special pumpkin pie. Delicious. Come try this. It's something new.
Coco, this is amazing. It tastes like happiness.
If you like it, maybe others will too.
Are the pies arranged just right now? Yes, absolutely perfect. The customers will love them.
Step right up, folks. I guarantee this is the freshest, most delicious pumpkin pie you'll ever taste. Pumpkin pie will be our farm's Halloween special. Let's get to work. Ba, 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 ba. Come on, old buddy. Oh no, the engine's completely broken. I can't fix it myself. I'll need a new one. Maybe there's another way. If I sell strawberries, I can buy a new tractor. These are perfect, fresh and shiny, just right. All right, let us go to the market. Fresh strawberries, sweet from the farm. These are the freshest sunberries in the whole market, picked this morning. I'll take that basket right there.
These are amazing!
Just enough for a new tractor. Hard work always brings new beginnings. What a perfect day to deliver hay! Whoa! What was that? Oh no! These holes are everywhere! No wonder the tractor's been shaking lately.
All right, time to fix this road myself.
The surface still feels rough.